JavaScript in Dell Boomi. Sounds fancy, right? It's actually the secret ingredient that allows you to customize data processing with ease. Think of it as a magic wand for handling transformations, validations, and automation. When used correctly, JavaScript can turn Boomi into a powerhouse of efficiency. And yes, while it might feel like an intimidating coding adventure, trust me, you'll soon be scripting like a pro. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Dell Boomi, the name might sound futuristic, but it's really just your friendly cloud-based integration buddy. It connects applications, moves data, and simplifies business processes. Now add scripting into the mix, and suddenly you're unlocking custom logic to tweak things as you like. JavaScript plays a starring role here, giving developers the flexibility to refine data handling like true tech wizards. Why JavaScript in Boomi? Well, imagine trying to cook a perfect meal without seasoning. You'd be missing out on a lot. JavaScript lets you add that extra zest to Boomi by making data manipulation super flexible. It helps streamline business logic, reduces dependency on third-party tools, and makes automation a breeze. Basically, it's like giving your Boomi process a superpower. Before jumping into JavaScript in Boomi, let's make sure you're set up for success. First, a little JavaScript knowledge goes a long way. If you can handle variables, loops, and functions, you're already ahead. Next, knowing how Boomi components work will help. Understanding process properties. Super useful. And of course, you'll need access to Boomi's scripting editor. Without it, we'd be coding in the air. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of input and output documents. Think of input documents as ingredients in a recipe. You need them to make something great. Output documents, that's your final dish. Dell Boomi makes sure these documents flow smoothly, transforming raw data into something usable. But remember, like cooking, bad mapping can ruin everything. Let's explore how to keep things clean and accurate. Alright, utility functions, these are the unsung heroes of Dell Boomi. And ever wished you had a shortcut for tedious tasks? Well, here it is. From transforming text to adjusting dates, utility functions keep things running smoothly. And if you ever feel like Boomi needs a little extra magic, custom scripts have your back. So let's see how these powerful tools can save you time and effort. JavaScript scripts in Boomi are like Swiss Army knives. They do a little bit of everything. Need to tweak a text format? No problem. Automating repetitive tasks? Got it. Handling dates? Easy. But don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard. Just understanding the basics will get you far. Let's dive into real-world examples and see these scripts in action. Debugging, everyone's least favorite but most necessary task. Think of it like fixing a leaky faucet. Logs help you find where things are going wrong. Error messages act as little red flags, and test cases help confirm solutions. And remember, efficiency is key. If your script runs slower than a turtle on vacation, it's time to optimize. Let's make debugging less painful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.